Welcome to Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious pineapple liqueur, okay? So first I'm going to pour my pineapple in the blender. Then I'm going to add my ginger. Then I'm going to add a little sugar because the pineapple is not as sweet. So I'll just add a little sugar. Alright. Next, I'll add some white rum. And this is a liqueur, so we have to make sure we have enough rum. Okay? And then we're just going to pour a little bit of water. This you can have over ice, and it's very delicious, and you can use it for your party or if you have friends over. All right. Okay, so this is our delicious pineapple liqueur. So I'm just gonna have a taste, and as I said, you can have it over ice. All right. This is delicious. This is not for kids, but as I said, you can serve it at your parties or you can invite friends over. Alright? So, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.